Hello everybody, welcome. Now, today, I'm very busy today. I've got to help our lad with something. So I don't know whether there'll be a video tomorrow, because I'm out all day tomorrow with him. Something important he's got to do. But I'll try and get something up, but just warning you in advance. So I'm going to do something really simple today, because I'm really busy with a lad, getting him prepared for tomorrow. So, I'm going to be doing, let me show you. I've had this in our cupboard for a few years now. So I'm going to be doing Philadelphia cookbook. Why not? Something simple. And I'm going to be doing, well, let me show you, beauty, I'll show you up on the side. Right, this is all the ingredients I've got. Oh, one thing missing, hold on. A bit of dill. Right, that's all the ingredients I've got. I'm going to make 3 bagels. And the first one's going to be classic smoked salmon bagel. Now obviously I ain't using Philadelphia, I'm using Aldi's own brand for budget style. So that's the first one I'm going to do. Then I'm going to be doing a summer fruits bagel. Lovely. Then I'm going to be doing a banana bagel. There's no picture for the banana bagel. Well, there's the summer fruits one. Gorgeous. So, first things first, I'm going to get 3 bagels out and slice them in half. Well, I've got my 3 bagels. I've got 1 plain and 2 sesame. They said one of the recipes says cinnamon, but they didn't have any, so I just got them. That's fine. So I'm going to put the salmon in the plain one, and the other 2 can go in them. So he says put them under the grill just to get them brown, but I'm just going to do it on the hob. It's just as easy for getting the oven going. So first things first, I'll get all them toasted off. So it's going to be nice and simple on this. Right, I'm going to get the plain one in first. Let that one do on its own. Right, while they're toasting away, I'm just going to get a bit of dill. So get a bit of dill to garnish. Don't want a lot of it. I'll just get the smoked salmon open. Quite expensive, isn't it, this smoked salmon? £3 that was. Bit of Aldi Philadelphia. Want to get everything prepared. What else was it? Half a lime juice. And it says some capers as well. I don't like capers, so I ain't having them. But if you like capers, by all means, crack on. Put half a lime juice in there for now. Just get it all prepared. There we go. They're nearly done. And while the other ones are toasting, we can prepare this one. Oh, and a bit of black pepper on this and all. Nice and simple. Oh, they're toasting a bit now, so they'll do. I'm just going to stick the other ones in while we build this one. And spread it out. Have the smoked salmon. A few capers. I ain't having them capers because I don't like them. Get the smoked salmon on. £3 this was. The smoked salmon. I'm going to put 2 on because only me likes it in this house. If I can get it. There we go. I'm going to be greedy. There's a smoked salmon. Lemon juice. It says squeeze over, so I'll just put a drop on. Lovely. And some dill on top. Right, these ones are done. That's them done. Lovely and simple that. Now it says 2 tablespoons of jam. It says mixed fruit jam, but they didn't have any up Tesco's or up Aldi. So I just got strawberry. What I'm going to do, because it's only the budget one and it's a bit gloopy, and I'm going to stick it in the microwave for a couple of seconds just so it's like a, you know what I mean? Just so it's a bit softer. What do they call it? The Kool-Aid, I don't know what they call it. I'm going to stick it in there for a bit. Right, the first one says, so you want some fillet on the bottom first. There's fillet on the bottom of both, so I want to do that together. I'm having this for my tea, I am. So I hope it's nice. Now there's my jam. I'll just so I can put it on the bottom. It's going to be a bit hot. The one. Lovely. Just arrange the summer fruits over it. So I'll give them a quick wash. Right, I'll give them a wash and I've cut some up as well. It says put blueberries as well, but we don't like blueberries, so I ain't having blueberries. And just pile it on. Don't say putting any nice to have a bit of sugar on it or something, wouldn't it? But mind you, I suppose it's going to be sweet anyway. There's that one done. Lovely, simple, delicious. Made a mess there now, look. On to the last one. Made a mess everywhere, look at the state of me. Right, now on, this is the one that wanted cinnamon. Well, I ain't got none. So I want lemon curd on the bottom of that. Drop a lemon curd in the middle. Then I want a banana. Slices. There we go. Pile it on. I'm looking forward to these actually, they're looking quite nice. Simple and delicious. Right, there we go then. I've cleaned up. Look at them beauties. Took me all together, must took me what, 7 or 8 minutes? Look at them. Gorgeous. I mean, it was all cheap, apart from obviously the salmon. That was £3, I think, for 4 slices or something. But yes. Oh, I can't wait to taste these. Let's have a taste test. So what do we think? Gorgeous. They look nice anyway, so I've never tried them like this recipe off that book. We're going to find out now, haven't we? Which one should we do first? Let's do the salmon first, because them two are sweet, ain't they? Let's do the salmon one. Let me cut it in half. Oh, the salmon one, it says has a bit of black pepper on top, which I've never done. Stick a bit of black pepper on. There we go. I'm going to cut it in half. Gorgeous. Oh yes, got the creaminess. The salmon. Oh. Wow. Wow. That's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll get a drink of water. Do it fair. I'll wipe the knife. And I'll dry it. Now we'll do the banana one now. Oh man, that's nice. I like that salmon one. The banana lemon curd. Yum yum. All the gooiness. I want a bit of that lemon curd. I'm making a bloody mess. Dribbling, that's gorgeous. Oh my God. I'm lost for words. That banana one. I've never had a banana bagel before like that. I'm lost for words, honest to God. Oh, I'm going to wash my knife again. Going to dry it. And then have a drink of water. I'm lost for words on that. That lemon curd right makes it, wow. Getting a mess everywhere. Now the strawberry and raspberries with the jam. There's that one. And all over the floor. As I said, I'll put a little bit of drop sugar on. The raspberries you can taste a bit sour. Was that the strawberries? One of them anyway. Need a bit of sugar on there just to, or maybe a bit of jam on top as well. On the top of the bagel it'll probably be nice. But it's really nice. It's all over the floor. I don't know about Nat to try it because she doesn't really like Philadelphia and that. I'll ask her. Nat, you want to come and try this gorgeous food? I don't know if you'll like it or not. Have a look. It's stunning. She's coming. I don't know if she'll try it or not, but I know you won't eat that one. You won't eat the salmon one. I mean, you might do, but you don't like fish at all. It's all over the floor. Yeah, it's all over the floor as well. So just watch where you stand.
Right. Oh God.
Well, you don't want banana, do you? Or do you? You're going to try it? Okay. Banana with lemon curd, Daddies. It's gorgeous. That's my favourite.
What's this white stuff?
That's Philadelphia.
Oh, right, okay.
I know you don't like Philadelphia,
I don't like...
but that is gorgeous.
I don't like that one.
And that one's strawberries and raspberries.
You said that for
That's salmon. You won't eat salmon, will you?
Salmon. Right, this one's banana one.
That's banana with lemon curd. I think that is gorgeous.
Oh, that's quite nice. I don't know about this.
Because you don't like it, do you?
But
you don't like that, do you? That's Philadelphia, do you?
If you put a little bit less on.
I don't like
so much.
Try that one, the strawberry one.
That one's nice, though. I like the lemon curd. I love lemon curd.
It's nice, isn't it?
Mm.
Yeah, maybe if you just had a little scrape on the bottom, maybe you wouldn't taste it.
I can't even really taste the bananas in that one neither.
Well, you can.
I can't. Maybe I have a big massive chunk of lemon curd. What's this one?
That's strawberries and raspberries with strawberry jam.
Okay. Mm. I like that one.
You love strawberries, don't you?
And
raspberries.
Mm. See, top Philadelphia is a bit thinner on here.
I think so, like half of it.
Mm.
But don't you think that could do with some sugar on the top or something?
Mm-mm.
No?
Mm-mm.
And you find the strawberries a bit sour? And all the raspberries, whichever one it is, no?
Maybe. Yeah, just a
sprinkle.
Just a sprinkle all over.
Mm. Or maybe some more jam on top or something to sweeten it out.
Some places are really nice, and I see what you mean now. The sour.
You can taste it after, can't you? So I can do the sour taste. I don't know if it's sour, but it's, you know what I mean, a bit bitter.
It's hot to raspberries.
Is that after raspberries?
I think.
I don't eat raspberries anyway, usually, so.
I've got one favourite.
Yeah? You don't going to try that one, are you?
Mm-mm.
Nice, isn't they?
They're not, considering I don't really like Philadelphia, and I'm not that keen on bananas neither.
That's nice, isn't it?
I'd eat that one all day long.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Just a little smudge of Philadelphia.
I like them. The bagels are really nice as well.
Really
Where did you get
nice.
the bagels from?
How'd the Philadelphia look?
No, you didn't get the bagels from the...
Oh, the bagels. Oh, from the flavours.
No, the
Is that there?
bagels.
Oh, from Aldi. Everything from Aldi.
Everything from
Apart from
Aldi.
the jam. Don't really jam.
That's really nice. My favourite one's the strawberry one.
Mine's the banana.
That's really nice.
There you go. Lovely.
That's lovely, that is.
Try it. Philadelphia. What I mean, we've had that year. I found it in the cupboard. You know, I don't know how much it says. It cost £15. That was then. I don't know how old it is now. I tried to find a date on it, but I can't find one. I mean, it says the cover was 2008, but what the book was, I don't know. That's my tea. So if you like content like this, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Right, everybody, at the end, this is the end of the video, obviously. One of the subscribers asked me if I could show them the plug, how you empty the water on the pool, because I think they're going to get one. So let me just show you. So you see down there, it's just like a screw-in cap. So you just unscrew that, and you have one of these. Right, so what you do is you put the hose pipe onto that, like so. I always put the hose pipe on first, I do, because if you just screw that in there and then put the hose on, all the water flies out of here. So what I do is I always put that on there first. It just clicks in like a normal, like you do on a tap, if I can get it, one-handed, just like that, you know, just clicks in. There you go, just clicks in like that. Just put it on and just undo that. There's still a valve inside there, so the water won't come out. You might get a few dribbles. And as you tighten it, that there pushes in and releases it. So easy, you just let gravity take the course. It's easy. So I just thought I'd show that. I think it was Rab who asked me. So there you go, mate. Just thought I'd let you know. See you later. Bye bye.